Today we are going to start session number 3 of chapter number 13, surface areas and volumes. And let us complete one left out question of question number 13.2, that is 9th question. Find the laterals or curved surface area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage tank that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter high. How much steel was actually used if 1 by 12 of the steel actually used was wasted in making the tank? So let us start with the first bit. Let the radius of the cylindrical petrol storage tank be R. So diameter दिया हुआ है यहाँ पर 4.2. So radius कितना हो जाएगा?
2.1.
Right. So R will be 2.1 meter. Right. And next height of the tank is given 4.5 meter. Now only we have to find lateral surface area. Lateral surface area के लिए केवल R और H चाहिए. Okay, we should have R and H and both the values are given. So we'll write the formula. Curved surface area of storage tank is 2 pi RH. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 into 4.5. इसको चाहो तो डायरेक्ट डिवाइड कर सकते हो 0.3. Otherwise what you can do, first you remove the decimal. Okay, you remove the decimal, then cancel. Otherwise you can do in this way also. ठीक है, क्योंकि 4.5 और 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो 9 मिलेगा. 22 into 9. ओके, 22 into 9 करके 0.3 से इंटू कर लेना. सो यू विल गेट 59.4 मीटर स्क्वायर. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Okay. Now let us start question number second bit. How much steel was actually used? So the total steel used for tank is total surface area. Okay, that is 2 pi R into R plus H or H plus R. Now we'll substitute the value here. 2 into 22 by 7 into 2.1 bracket 4.5 plus 2.1. Okay, now we have to find this value. Again we can, what we can do, we can cancel here 0.3. if we add these two we'll get 6.8. okay, so 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. So we'll get 87.12 meter square. So this much steel is used in making the tank. But what is given in the question that 1 by 12 of the steel actually used. ये तो used है, but actually used में 1 by 12 waste हुआ है. तब जाके हम लोग को इतना टोटल सरफेस एरिया का स्टील वो पेट्रोल स्टोरेज टैंक बना है. सो लेट अस मूव टुवर्ड द नेक्स्ट वन. सपोज x मीटर स्क्वायर स्टील इज एक्चुअली यूज्ड. अभी इसमें कितना वेस्ट हुआ है? x में जो वेस्ट हुआ है वो 1 by 12. तो जब हम लोग एक्चुअल स्टील से माइनस करेंगे तब हम लोग को जो स्टील जो बनने के बाद है वो मिल रहा है. That means total surface area. Whether this concept is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So as it is given that 1 upon 12 of the steel used was wasted, so total surface area of the tank will be x minus x by 12. And total surface area we already got 87.12. And if you subtract x minus x by 12, you will get 11x upon 12. So finally what you will get x? 87.12 into 12 upon 11. अगर इसको सॉल्व करोगे तो we'll get approximately 94.04 meter square. So this is the answer. Okay. एक मिनट इसको क्रॉस चेक कर लेते हैं. 87.12 into 12 divided by 11. 95.4. 04. Right. So this is 95.04. okay, right? So any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we are moving towards the next topic, that is cone. Have you seen joker cap?
Yes, sir.
joker cap कुछ इस फॉर्म में होता है. देखो ऐसे ऐसे होता है. birthday cap, you can say birthday cap also. Some birthday caps are in this form also. कुछ इसमें ऐसा कुछ बना देते हैं, ठीक है? So that is in the form of cone. And have you seen ice cream cone?
Yes, sir.
वो भी
Yes,
conical
sir.
form में होता है, और टेंट भी जो है वो conical form में होता है, right? So solids like ice cream cones, conical tents, funnels, etc. are having the shape of a cone. So this is the rough diagram. Now in this three parameters are there: h, height of the cone; r, radius of the cone, base of the cone; and this is l, slant height. Okay, and the relation between these three you will get by using Pythagoras theorem. So what you will get? L square is equals to r square plus h square. If you use Pythagoras theorem, you will get the relation between these three. So any doubt here in this one? Slant height formula?
No,
No,
sir.
sir.
Okay, so right, इसमें जो कर्ड सरफेस एरिया है उसका फॉर्मूला है पाई आर एल, pi r l, and the value of l we already know, that root over r square plus h square, and the total surface area is curved surface area plus area of base, that is pi r l plus pi r square. Okay, curved surface area plus area of base. So now we can take common from this to pi r, so we'll get the total surface area formula, pi r into l plus r. Usually we used to write it r plus l, pi r into r plus l. Okay, now the third formula is volume. Volume is equals to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Pi r square h is a formula for the volume of cylinder. तो अगर हम लोग इसी हाइट का एक कंप्लीट सिलेंडर बनाते हैं, if we make the cylinder, the volume will be the volume of cone will be 1/3 of the complete cylinder. Okay, so now we are going to start the exercise with first question 13.3. The diameter of the base of the cone is given 10.5 centimeter, and slant height is also given. We need to find curved surface area, that is CSA. So formula मैंने अभी बताया था. What is the formula of CSA? Pi r l. Okay, so we need to find r first because l is given 10 centimeter. Now diameter is given, this is the diameter, and slant height is given. Diameter is given 10.5 centimeter. So what is the radius?
10.5 by 2.
10.5 by 2. So we'll remove the decimal also. So if you divide by 5, what you will get? 21 by 4. Okay, right. Now so we are using this radius. Now the curved surface area formula is pi r l. Slant height is already given. Now we'll substitute the value 22 by 7 into 21 by 4 into 10. So 7 ये दोनों कैंसिल हो गया, and this is 11, 2 से कैंसिल हो गया, फिर ये 2 से कैंसिल कर सकते हैं इसको. So finally what we are getting? 11 into 3 into 5. So 165 centimeter square. Any doubt in this one?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now second question. Find the total surface area of a cone if its slant height is given 21 meter and diameter of its base is given 24 meter. What is the formula of total surface area? Is pi r into r plus l. So every term is given. In fact, diameter is given, but we need to find radius. Okay, this is the rough diagram. Rough diagram is not mandatory. Okay, slant height is given 21 meter. This is L, and diameter is given 24 meter. So what is the radius?
12 meter.
Right, radius is 12 meter. Now the total surface area formula is pi r into, okay, pi r into L plus r. Now we'll substitute the value of pi, r and L. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 12, and 21 plus 12. ठीक है? So 264 by 7, and this will be 33. So we will get approximate value 1244.57 meters square. Okay, so any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Right.
No, sir.
Now we'll move to a third question. Now in this question, curved surface area is given and slant height is given. We need to find radius of the base and total surface area of the cone. So what is the formula of curved surface area?
Pi RL.
Pi
Pi
RL.
RL.
So this is pi RL actually. Okay. So we'll write what is given first. Slant height and radius, let it be R, and slant height is 14, and curved surface area it is given 308, and this is nothing but this is pi RL. Now we'll substitute all the values. 22 by 7 R into 14. So this we can cancel it right now here also, और otherwise shifting के बाद cancel कर लो. Shift कर दिए पूरा, ठीक है? Now you can cancel it. 7 2s are 14, और ये भी एक मिनट, इसको पहले डिवाइड कर लेते हैं. 2 1 5 4. Now 154 can be divided by 22, so we'll get 7. Calculation समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
So R is equals to 7 centimeter. So first bit over. Now we need to find total surface area. So total surface area क्या होता है? Curved surface area plus area of base. So already curved surface area is with us, that is 308 centimeters square. So again no need to use the full formula, right? Curved surface area of the cone plus area of base. So 308 plus pi r square. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
You can use that formula also, pi r into r plus L. That formula also you can use it. But why to use that one if 308 curved surface area already given? Okay, now substitute the value. 17 is cancelled here. So this will be 154. Okay, 154 plus 308. So what is the final answer? We'll get 462 centimeters square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so now we'll move towards fourth question. A conical tent is 10 meter high and the radius of its base is 24 meter. Find its slant height of the tent, and cost of the canvas required to make the tent if the cost of 1 meter square canvas is rupees 70. So first of all, what is given? That height of the conical tent, that is 10 meter, and radius is given 24 meter. And what is the formula for finding the slant height? Root over r square plus h square. ठीक है? So 24 square plus 10 square, 576 plus 100, that is 676. So what is the square root of 676?
26.
26, right? So we got slant height, first bit over. Now अगर हम लोग टेंट बनाते हैं, ठीक है, टेंट बना रहे हैं, if we are going to make the tent, so canvas is not required here, right? Because this is the ground part. Only curved surface area part is required for the canvas, correct? Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
So that means how much canvas required, that we have to find, and that is equals to curved surface area, right? And what is the formula of curved surface area?
Pi RL.
Right, pi r L. Now we'll substitute the value of pi r and L. Okay, so यहाँ पे 7 से कुछ भी cancel नहीं हो रहा, तो what we will do, we'll multiply all this and then divide it by 7. Okay, so we are getting approximately अब देखो यहाँ पर इसको डिवाइड नहीं करना है. क्यों नहीं करना है? क्योंकि यहाँ पे रेट दिया हुआ है 70 रुपीज, and 70 is a multiple of 7. If you divide it, again you have to do rough work. You will get in decimal, and when you will multiply with 70, you will not get the round up answer. ठीक है? तो कभी कभी ऐसा चेक कर लेना है कि यहाँ पर रेट जो है 70 एंड दिस इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 7. So cost of 1 meter square is rupees 70. So what is the total cost? This into 70. Now you can cancel it. See, you can write the answer very easily. What is the final answer?
1,37,280.
Right, very good. 1,37,280. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, very good. Now we'll move towards fifth question. What length of tarpaulin 3 meter wide will be required to make conical tent of height 8 meter and base radius 6 meter? किसी का माइक ऑन है देखो. Okay, अभी now whatever the structure you will make with the help of any cloth, either tarpaulin and whatever it be, when you go to the market, the cloth will be in the form of rectangle. The cloth will be in the form of rectangle. So हम लोग जो तारपोलिन से conical tent जो बना रहे हैं, so tarpaulin is in the form of rectangle and its breadth is given. 3 meter wide means its breadth is given and we have to find length. So very easy. यहाँ पर कितना waste हुआ है वो भी दिया हुआ है. 20 centimeter waste हुआ है. When you are going to the tailor to for stitching your shirt, definitely some cloth will be waste. So like that here also, approximately 20 centimeter length is wasted in cuttings. Okay, so what we are going to find first? Slant height, because हम लोग को find करना है curved surface area. So what is given? Height is given 8 meter, radius is given 6 meter. How will you find slant height?
Root over
Root over h plus r.
Very good. Root over r square plus h square. Now 6 square plus 8 square, 36 plus 64. How much you are getting?
100.
100. Root over 100?
10.
10. Good. So we got slant height. Now we'll find area of tarpaulin, that is curved surface area. Just now I told, and that is equals to pi RL. So now we'll substitute all the values. Okay? So now here the value of pi is given. We can't take 22 by 7. अगर 22 by 7 लेंगे तो that will be a wrong. Mark कट जाएंगे. So 3.14 into 6 into 10. So 188.4 meters square. This is the area of tarpaulin, and that will be equal to what? That will be equal to what? The width is given. The width of tarpaulin is given, and let the length of the tarpaulin is L. I already told you that the tarpaulin will be in the form of rectangle, and that much tarpaulin will be used for conical tent. How much? Curved surface area. So area of tarpaulin is equals to length into width, and that is equals to L into 3, that is 3L. Whether this is clear?
Yes, sir.
And this is equals to 188.4. Now whether this is clear or not, you tell me.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है. So ये 3 से divide हो रहा है 188.4. So what we are going to get? 62.8 meter. Now this is the length required, actual required for conical tent. But this much length has been wasted. So we have to add these two. But we can't add directly. Why? Because this is in centimeter and this is in meter. So इसको मीटर में कन्वर्ट करना पड़ेगा, तो कितना मिलेगा? This one 0.2. So the extra length of the material required for stitching margins and cutting is 20 centimeter, that is 0.2 meter. Okay, So hence the total length of the tarpaulin bought is 62.8 plus 0.2. So what is the final answer?
63.
Right,
63.
63 meter. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now we'll move towards question number 6. The slant height and the base diameter of a conical tomb are 25 meter and 14 meter respectively. So this is L and this is diameter. I'm writing it as D. Find the cost of whitewashing its curved surface at the rate of rupees 210 per 100 meter square. So for curved surface, what we require? R and L. L is already given. Okay? That is 25 meter and the diameter is given 14 meter. So what will be the radius?
14.
7.
7 meter. Right. Fine. So now we are going to find the curved surface area. Pi r L. Substitute all the values. Pi is 22 by 7, r is 7 and L is 25. So 7 cancel and if you multiply you will get 550 meters square. Now the cost of 100 meter square is given 210. Right? So what is the cost of 1 meter square?
210 divided by 100.
Very good. 210 by 100. And what is the cost of 550 meter square? दोनों को multiply कर दो.
550
Right,
into
multiply कर
210
दो.
by 100.
So what you can do, you can cancel this to 0 and this to 0. So 55 into 21 is the answer. That is 1155 rupees. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Now we are moving towards one very good question. A joker's cap. I already told joker cap जो है that is in the form of right circular cone of base radius 7 centimeter and height 24 centimeter. Find the area of the sheet required to make 10 such caps. Now see, ध्यान से देखो, अगर ये कैप है, एक मिनट, ये कैप है, कैप इज इन द फॉर्म ऑफ कोन, ये वाला पार्ट खाली रहेगा कि नहीं रहेगा? दिस पार्ट
सर खाली रहेगा.
वाई, अगर खाली नहीं रहेगा तो क्या होगा? You will not be able to wear the cap.
Yes, sir.
Right? So this portion we have to neglect. So what we have to take only curved surface area. Clear? So
Yes.
area of sheet required for one cap is curved surface area. But curved surface area we required L. And here radius is given and height is given. Okay? So how will you find L?
Root over h square plus r square.
Very good. Root over r square plus h square. So 7 square plus 24 square. 49 plus 576. 625. What is the final answer? L.
25 centimeter.
25 centimeter. Very good. Okay. Now we got L. So now we'll start with our step area of sheet required for one cap. CSA, curved surface area of cone. What is the formula of CSA of cone?
Pi r l.
Pi r l. Right. So 22 upon 7 into 7 into into 7 into 25. So 7 cancel and we are getting 550 centimeter square. This is the area of sheet required for one cap. How many caps we have to find?
10 caps.
So what we have to do? We have to multiply. So what is the final answer?
5,500.
Very good. 5,500 centimeter square. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, now this is the last question of the exercise and last question of today's session. A bus stop is barricaded from the remaining part of the road by using 50 hollow cones. You have seen while going out in cities that some hollow cones they will use to barricade it. Okay, have you seen hollow cones, red color ka?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so that is made by recycled cardboard according to this question. Each cone has a base diameter 40 centimeter and height 1 meter. If the outer side of each of the cones is to be painted and the cost of painting is rupees 12 per meter square, what will be the cost of painting all these cones? Use pi is equals to 3.14 and take root over 1.04 is equals to 1.02. All the values already it is given. Okay, so we'll start with the area of one cone to be painted. What will be the area? Hollow cone.
Curved surface area of the cone.
देखो hollow cone में ये वाला part blank होगा. Yes, very good. Curved surface area. So we'll start with let radius of the circular base of cone be smaller. So diameter 40 दिया हुआ है, 40 centimeter. Okay. So what will be the radius?
20 centimeter.
20 centimeter. But height is given in meter and this is given in centimeter. So what we can write? 0.2 meter. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now 20 by 100, that is 0.2 meter. Height of the cone is given 1 meter and slant height formula, because we need slant height for calculating curved surface area. So root over r square plus h square. What is the value of r? 0.2. I already told. And h 1. So 0.2 whole square plus 1 square. 0.04 plus 1. So we'll get root over 1.04. And this value is already given. कितना दिया हुआ है?
1.02.
Right. This is equals to 1.02 given. So we got the value of L also. Now we'll start with the final step. Curved surface area of one cone, that is pi r into L. Okay, the value of pi already given 3.14. Radius is 0.2 and L is 1.02. This is meter square. Okay, so 3.14 into 0.204 meter square. Now cost of 1 meter square it is given rupees 12. Okay, so ऐसे कितने सारे hollow cones है? 50. So इसको क्या करेंगे? पहले 50 से इंटू करेंगे, right? So approximately we are getting 32.028 meter square. Now cost of 1 meter square is given rupees 12. So the total cost will be equals to 12 into 32.028. Now if you multiply, you will get the final answer 384.34 approximate rupees. Any doubt in this question?
No, sir.
Okay, so this is the last question of today's session and last question of the exercise. Now we'll move towards the next section, that is assignment question. Only 4 questions are there. Please take the screenshot of this question, and one student please post in the WhatsApp group also of both the classes. Have you taken?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. So that's all for today's session. Thank you very much.